IMSA racing right down here at Daytona, coming up next. Hello once again, slot car fans. It's time once again to start a brand new league, and this will be our last league for 2019. So break out the bell bottoms because tonight we are racing IMSA 1976. Oh yeah, it'll be a groovy time. Anyway, tonight we are right down here at the Daytona International Speedway, where we are going to race the first race in our IMSA League, which will be a lot of fun. Very high bank, very fast track. If you guys have watched any of our other videos where we were down at Daytona for NASCAR 1970, well, here we are once again. And this time around, of course, it'll be 1976. We have not raced this track since 2017, so it was quite fun to set up. And if you would like to see this track, watch me build it, well, this time around, instead of putting it on Patreon, which it is on there anyway, I have opened it up freely so that anyone can see it. And it's on our Madcap Romanian channel as well as the Monster Hobbies channel. So check it on out, and without further ado, let's go down to this crazy oval track. Hey everybody, this is Trevor Selescu, owner of Monster Hobbies, and I wish to thank all of our patrons out there for your great support in keeping this channel alive. Without your contribution, we would not be around, so thank you again very much. And if you would like to become one of our patrons, please check it out at www.patron.com/monster_hobbies. Anyway, let's continue on with our great video. So out of the 3 people that showed up last night for Daytona, we have Monster Hobbies in 34 points, Rosie with 26, and Mark with 54. So let's see our standings and find out where everybody is. And here's our standings at the end of the race. Rosie was in 3rd place, I got 2nd, and Mark was in 1st. So away to go. And wasn't that an exciting race? Well, don't worry fans, we will be back again next week with our IMSA 1976 cars right down at Sebring, and that's another great, amazing track that I do believe I have that one built on Patreon. Go over and check it out. And speaking of Patreons, I sure am thankful for all my patrons out there who have been supporting me through all these videos for the last little while. Without your support, this channel would end. So again, thank you very much for that. And hey, if you guys are also looking at something cool, don't forget that I am giving away this tow truck. I've been trying to give this thing away since February of 2019. One day it will happen. Hopefully that'll happen soon. I want to get my Madcap Romanian channel up to 5,000 subscribers, and then everyone that has subscribed that's interested in this thing will be able to have their name in a draw, and then some lucky person will get this cool tow truck. And if you haven't seen this tow truck before, this is your first time watching this video, any of my videos, this thing is amazing. It's got flashing lights, tailgate drops down, can hook up to any Carrera car, including our IMSA car. We just go on the back there. It's got flashing lights, it's got a horn, and this should be sitting on your shelf or racing around on your slot car track. So let's make it happen. 5,000 subscribers. We're at 4,280 so far, so it's a bit of a stretch, but we'll get there. And anyway, until next time, thanks once again to all the patrons and everybody that's been supporting this channel through all this time. Helps me get the bills paid, as well as get any of the track pieces or whatever else that I need to continue making these great tracks. So don't forget to check us out on Patreon. There'll be a link up here, and for our giveaway there'll be a link down there. So until next time everybody, we will see you at Sebring.